Hey there guys, and welcome to another video but I am XX the Beast, but my name is changed because I don't know why, but apparently my YouTube account doesn't like me. So what I'm saying is that it wouldn't work anymore, so yeah, I had to do tons of stuff to make it work again. I'm sorry that it's been tons of weeks I haven't made a video. I've been trying my hardest and to do this. So I found some servers too. So today I'm going to be showing you one of the servers. Is this mcpe, you got that down? .zircon. I do not know how to pronounce that, but yeah, zircon, I guess. .at. And then, if I were you, I would just put building. I don't know, buildings, because this server is actually about building. So you go in it, and when you have it down, you just write your password, whatever it is, and then view world. And right now, this is my world, and I will type my password in. Oops, what's happening? Okay, so after you put your password in, you have your world. And this is my world. In my game, I had tons of help trying to build this. I had friends, and some of my friends are here too. Like, some aren't, but this is my friend DJ's Hotel on 1 gold for, God, it's lagging hard. And so this is the server, and you could take TP. All you need to do is slash TPA. No, not TP. Oh my God, TPA. And then you put space, and then whatever the person's name is. So if I were with my friend, I would put geek girl. Oh, she's there too. Girly girl, and 1 2 3, and then it would say that teleport request to geek girl, geek girly girl 1 2 3. That's geeky. And so after that, if she says yes, please, I'm gonna ask her. She just needs to put, yep, she accepted, / accept to do it, and then so this is hers. This is her plot. And see, as you can see, you can build. You could do tons of stuff, basically. So it's fun. This server is, to me, the best because I like building. You can't see you guys. I can't see you guys. You can't? Oh no. Well, this is it. And as you can see, you can TP, you could build, and yeah. You could build tons of stuff, you could do whatever you want. And as you can see, other people can break blocks, you could give them permissions. Well, I'm not 100% you could give them permissions, but I'm sure you can. Because other people say, oh, yeah. So, that's what I think. And this server is good. Well, it might not be the best server because if you didn't know, this server actually crashes in 6 hours. And it's already been a few hours, like 3, I don't know. Oops, wrong block. And see, it lags out. And it puts the other block, so you have to tap it tons of times. So, yeah, and unfortunately, she's leaving back up. And yeah, this is the server you could build. It's fun, but crashes tons of times. So I'm not sure if some people like it much, because to me it's okay. It's just that the fact that it really lags a lot. So this is the end. This is goodbye. Bye. No, but seriously, go check out my other videos. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Oh, and go check out my cousin's videos. Her name is Isabel Garden, and her other one is Jerica. Go check her out. She's funny. I like it. I like her vids, and it's just pretty. So, yeah, that's all I have for today. Goodbye, guys. Bye-bye.